Good morning everyone. I welcome all of you in today's lesson. In today's lesson we learn about how we are going to use while, then and the and what is different between them. Let's see. As we already know, while, then and the means because. While means because. Im Nebensatz steht das konjugierte Verb am Ende. While used with the Nebensatz and the verbs goes at the end. Zwischen der Hauptsatz und dem Nebensatz steht immer ein Komma. As while is a connector used to combine two sentences, so between them always remains a comma. Der Nebensatz mit while sagt einen Grund und antwortet auf die Frage warum und weshalb. So always have a reason and answer the question why and weshalb. So we make a sentence like this: subject, verb, object, and the while come after the comma and the verbs at the end. Let's see with the example. This is the Hauptsatz, Nebensatz. Let's see. Ich gehe nicht zur Schule, ich bin krank. So one sentence is this: Ich gehe nicht zur Schule. Other is ich bin krank. So sentence formation is subject, verb, object. When while comes, verbs go at the end. So ich gehe nicht zur Schule, same. And while ich krank bin, verbs goes at the end from here to here. Or while come at the first position as well, then verb comma verb. So because I am ill, while ich krank bin, gehe ich nicht zur Schule. So there are two ways to making sentence like this and like this, where while after the comma, verbs at the end, and where while at the first position, then verb comma verb. Let's see example. Ich lerne Deutsch, ich möchte in Deutschland studieren. So here we have two verbs, möchte and studieren. We just check the first word goes at the end. Ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich in Deutschland studieren möchte. Or while can come at the first position. Weil ich in Deutschland studieren möchte, lerne ich Deutsch. I learn German. Wir haben kein Geld, wir haben keine Arbeit. Wir haben kein Geld, weil wir keine Arbeit haben. Verb at the end. Weil wir keine Arbeit haben, haben wir kein Geld. Because we have no work, we have no money. Then is a coordinate clause, coordinate conjunction we can say. Subject, verb, object, then, and it does not change the verb position. Verb is always at a second position with then. So ich gehe nicht zur Schule, ich bin krank. So when we add then ich krank bin. Then is always after comma, then ich krank bin. It does not change the verb position. The means because and since, and normally it's used like a since. Since the is used, remind the listener of something that you already know, while it's more often used when introducing new problem. While is for new with new information, and since the is for since. Like it's already raining, we already know. If someone is not coming, that he can mention the, because we know it's already. Wir haben kein Geld, wir haben keine Arbeit. So the is used as a while and verb goes at the end. Wir haben kein Geld, the wir keine Arbeit haben, or the same. The can come at the first position. Da wir keine Arbeit haben, haben wir kein Geld. Verb comma verb. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us below. Have a nice day.